In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to program the survey sequence to acquire unprocessed or raw survey values, configure WITS tags, configure Envision to receive raw surveys, verify communication between the MWD and logging software, test the configuration on bank with the flow simulator, check for accuracy of the surveys, and edit surveys within Envision. This tutorial applies to XXT server systems and Envision only. Operators performing these procedures must have successfully completed Level 1 MWD Bootcamp or have experience in the field with Phoenix. Setting the computer time and tool time is a critical step that must be performed before any other step. The timestamp assigned to each received survey value must correlate to when the event actually occurred. Right-click on the time located at the lower right of the screen. Select Adjust Date and Time, then confirm the properties. I've selected Central Time for Houston, but if you were working in Calgary, for example, you would have to set it to Mountain Time. Be sure to check the time zone for the site location you're at. Note the rig floor display must be matched to the laptop as well. Now that the computer time is correct, let's set the tool time. Double-click XXTFO Utility and wait for it while it queries the connected nodes. Click Set Tool Time, then exit. Next, open XXMWD Config. Be sure to populate all the configuration blocks accordingly, but let's focus on the survey sequence. Click Cancel, then select Sequences. The difference with this sequence compared to standard sequences are the accelerometer and magnetometer axes values. The XYZ values indicate the position of the accelerometer and magnetometer during the survey acquisition. These values ensure we have enough accurate significant digits to arrive at a reasonable answer. Follow the syntax exactly as written on the screen, including periods, spaces, and signed numbers. Be sure to copy SSQ1 to all modes, then click Apply. After completing all programming variables, click Configure to store the tool and receiver. The unprocessed values must have the correct WITS tag for output to Envision. In the XX SAPC window, select Setup, then WITS Server. Click Edit WITS Map and add the following tags. Follow the syntax exactly as shown. AX, 0733, AY, 0734, etc. And let's add MZ, 0738. Go to File and Save, then close the window. Check Enable WITS Server, then select the correct port and baud rate. Click Apply. It's a good idea to open the survey data window to monitor the values as they're telemetered. Click Data Windows and select Survey. Select Setup. Check Word Wrap, Line Numbers, and Keep Data windows on top. XXT is now set up to acquire raw survey values. In addition to plotting gamma and other variables, Envision also verifies the accuracy of the survey through a direct link to the survey verification team. Click Start New Job. Select Imperial P360 Raw Template. Then select Load New Template. The following message lets you know that the database will be detached and replaced with a new one. If you've not already backed up the database, do so now, otherwise click Continue. Enter the appropriate information into the new job header, then click OK. This message lets you know that the current job data will be backed up automatically to the default Envision backup location. Click Continue. Click Data Tags. Verify the numbers are correct and that it's set to widths MWD and output widths set to no. Click Job, then start logging. Click the Survey tab. This will display the XYZ values of the accelerometer magnetometer. Each axis will light up when information is received. For this survey, the accelerometers are within tolerance. Let's see if the magnetometers are okay. It looks like the readings for the magnetometers are out of spec. Double-click any of the letters to open the Survey Management dialog box. Right-click on the survey and send to the Survey Management team for further analysis. If necessary, edit the survey accordingly. This concludes the raw survey tutorial with XXT and Envision.